I think this course was tailor-made for me because I could relate to so much, so much. And I'm so grateful to you for making this course because I felt it was made for me. So tailor-made it was. I think that's why the course is called Deep Changes. We are rewiring our brain. And
Yes.
I think everyone needs to know that because what we see on YouTube in the toppers videos is nothing. That is not even 1% of them. There's a lot which goes on behind. And um, I think everyone should, be a part. At least students, I would say, if this course could be introduced in school itself, because a lot of
Mm.
behavioral patterns are developing in school. I feel your mind conditioning audios, those are gold, like literally gold. They are so, so powerful. They're just 2 minutes, but they're so powerful. And I really benefited from them. So the children should just listen to those, I feel, and there would be so much change in themselves. So I could just express gratitude to you for this course. I am really grateful
Thank you. Yeah.
to make this because as you say, I have learned so much from every aspect of the course right from day one. And that's what I told you. I felt this was made for me. Like every aspect of it was so helpful. I can say I wasted a lot of time on motivational videos, on law of attraction, manifestation, as people nowadays call it. That is
Mm.
all waste of time. And nowadays it's really in the news, no? This one, someone says on the show, "This is my manifestation couch. This is you manifest your life partner, you manifest your job." There's nothing like that. Everything in life is just hard work and
Mm.
your own belief system. Everything automatically manifests. And this is something which I have learned through this course and in my past years of my life when I was achieving a lot. It's just hard work. If you
Mm.
put in hard work, automatically your manifestation happens. You attract success.
Mm.
So like they say, no, jaise karni waisi bharni. So you do your work and automatically everything, all success is yours. But thought beliefs, a system, like I needed fine tuning or rewiring, and I got that through this course because I had lost direction. If you could see failures in the entrance exams, I can't call them
Mm.
failures. I can see they're stepping stones to my future success.
Perfect.
Comparisons,
Mm.
and basically, yeah, I had lost direction. So I'm
Mm.
grateful to you and I'm grateful to that ad which I got on Facebook because the minute I saw it, I think it was something about saying study, study, something like that. And then
Yes,
I
yes.
saw this sir has got a rank in an exam and I want to get a double digit rank or even a
Mm.
single digit rank in the
Mm.
exam because the branches which I would want to specialize in and the dream colleges I look forward to, they require that rank. With my current 9,000 rank, I will get a seat. I'm not saying I won't, but it'll be in a private college. But I think in
Mm.
medicine, if you study in a government college, it makes more difference when you come
Mm.
out as a specialist than studying in a private college. So I wanted to achieve that. So I have so much to achieve. And those motivational videos and all that is waste. I needed someone who has achieved something in an exam to teach me those tips and tricks. And I guess I landed up in the right place because that
Mm.
is exactly what I was looking for. So really, really thankful to you. I really am thankful to you.